much disappointed about the outcome of the Concord, but the MK supporters and the South African public must relax. President Zuma is still the party leader, and the head of the President Zuma is still going to be on the ballot paper still going to be on the ballot paper when we go to vote. So the South African must relax. The only thing that will do, the NIC will sit and Jacob Zuma will give us a directive of what's the next step going forward. But we are still comfortable. Jacob Zuma is still the party leader of MK Party. He will take the decision and give us as the executive what's the direction, what the next step forward, and what's the direction from here onwards.
Okay, and even prior to this judgment, I'm sure maybe you could have expected something of this nature happening. Have you planned on then what happens going forward?
We haven't planned for it. Jacob Zuma, as the leader of MK Party, will give us the direction about his party on what to do. He still leads this party. He will lead this party going forward, and this is his political party. He will give us direction from here onwards on what's the next step.